Hi everyone, this is Aaliyah and Oveja Negra with Tips and Tricks Tuesdays. Today we're going to talk about bag capacity. First we have our chuck bucket. It can hold your trusty 8-ball and a father sock monkey, or for you thirsty people out there, a 40-ounce hydro flask or other water vessel.
Hi, this is Steph with Oveja Negra, and I'm here to talk about the lunchbox. So the lunchbox is great for carrying all your food. That's why we call it the lunchbox. It's also really good for carrying all your kittens. You can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kittens of assorted breeds, or also 3 liters.
Now we're going to talk about our half-pack small, this guy right here. You are going by your favorite gas station and you find the Hello Panda snacks. You can fit 1, 2, 3, 4. I can fit 1 more in there.
Ooh, I have a half.
Yeah, 4.5. Yep, you count it, people. 4.5 panda snacks. That's 45 of those sweet treats.
Next up, we're going to talk about the Snack Pack Extra Large. So this bag will hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 crowbar meals. That's 2,100 calories. Oh, and if that's not enough, it also fits a little bear. For you really thirsty people out there, it will also hold 1 gluten-free White Claw. Hope that helps.
We're talking about our Gear Jammer. Gear Jammer Large holds your favorite puppy, extra layers, sleeping bag even, or 1 large chicken. Now, 6 to 12 liters. If you get the medium bag, you're definitely going to want to go with a smaller breed of chicken.
Oveja Negra would like to state that no kittens, chickens, bats, pandas, or Catholics were harmed in the making of this film. For you weight weenies out there and information junkies, please go to our website to the individual product pages and scroll down a little bit further and a little bit further. There you will find capacities, fabric information, weights, specs, and other very scientific information. We hope this helps.